Have you been doing loads of differential calculus questions and still getting them wrong? Let me show you a simple and easy technique to nail the questions in a much shorter time. Let's dive in! Differentiation using the power rule. Power down, power minus 1. Differentiation using chain rule. Chain rule is used when you have a composite function. A composite function is a function within a function. So, the steps are power down, power minus 1, differentiate the inside. The next rule is product rule. Product rule is used when you have two functions which are too complicated to be multiplied together. So how do you use product rule? Copy the first, differentiate the second, add to, copy the second, differentiate the first. The next rule is quotient rule. What is quotient rule? Quotient rule is used when you have two expressions dividing each other and cannot be simplified. So how do you use quotient rule? First, differentiate the top, copy the bottom, minus, copy the top, differentiate the bottom, over the square of the bottom.
We have come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.